All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So circa, 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 circa. So approximately, approximately. What is thought to be about right? Circa, yeah. So it is, circa 100 years old. Yeah, it's around 100 years old. Yeah. So it was built circa 1993, 92, 93, 94, around that time. 92, 93, 94, around that time. Yeah, around that time, circa 1993. Yeah, around that time. They think it has been here since circa 1900, yeah. Those books were written circa 3000 BC. Around 5,000 years ago. Yeah, around that time, yeah. So I have been here since circa 2010. She has known me since circa February 2019. He has been able to speak French since circa 2016. Circa 2016, yeah. They have been working on that business since circa 2009. Around that time, yeah. Maybe summer 2009, yeah. And it has been standing there since circa 2500 BC, yeah. Stonehenge has been there since circa 2500 BC, yeah. A long time, but not exact, yeah. Stonehenge, yeah, a long time. So this came here circa 1800. I'm thinking that it'll be here circa next year, yeah. Maybe circa December 2021 or 2022, things might be different. Yeah. I'll be arriving circa the 10th of September. Yeah, wow, yeah. He arrived circa 15th of October, around midday, yeah. Circa the 15th of October, mid-October, around that time, yeah. This river has been here since circa 1300s. Easily, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So circa, yeah. Approximately, yeah, around that time, yeah. What is thought to be about right? Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use circa in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, how cool is that? And also on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.